So yesterday, as I was scrolling through my phone, I stumbled upon that video of Ravish Kumar, the newest video of him, in which he was talking about that Jammu and Kashmir Medical College that was recently shut down because some right-wing groups and Hindutva groups were protesting for the significantly large number of Muslim students there as compared to the Hindu students. That medical college was funded by Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board. Therefore, they were protesting as this college is funded and has been built by the money of the Hindus, and why are Muslims studying there? And these groups were celebrating, they were dancing and they were singing when the announcement of the closure of this medical college reached there. How stupid are these people? They are very stupid people in this country where health is so expensive. Healthcare is so expensive in this country where there are not required number of doctors in this country. People are celebrating the closure of a medical college. And I was reading this article of the print in which the correspondent was saying, the writer was saying that he has talking to some people who are active in the educational field there in the Jammu and Kashmir area, and they said that this is a norm in almost all of the institutions of Jammu and Kashmir. There are 13 medical colleges in Jammu and Kashmir, both private, semi-private and government, and the ratio of Muslim to Hindu population is 60 to 40, 70 to 30. So this is the norm. In this college the population was slightly higher than the norm, but it is Muslim population is always higher in these institutes in Jammu and Kashmir owing to their large number of population, or more population than the Hindus in the Jammu and Kashmir district as a whole, in the Jammu and Kashmir state as a whole. So I do not know why these people were protesting, but they were just protesting out of pure hatred. That is the thing that they were protesting for. And the second point is, as Umar Abdullah is saying, that they should have gotten the minority certificate, minority status for their college if they have wanted that only Hindus should study there. But they did not do this. The print article that I was talking about, there was a name of this institute, FSCOM, that said that this institute had the minority status and the Hindu population of the Jammu and Kashmir gets a certain amount of quota or reservation for the Hindu population there. But these guys did not do anything like this. And also how the government reacted to their protest is also a matter of concern for all of us. The state-of-the-art medical college, not the hospital, the state-of-the-art hospital that was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2016 was connected to this college, because colleges need to have a medical hospital connected to them to get the certificate or a thumbs up from the NMC, National Medical Commission. So that was the state-of-the-art medical hospital which was connected to this. And I was talking about the role of the government in this. When these Hindutva groups started protesting, the NMC, what did the NMC do? The NMC, they came out on a surprise visit. After these protests, they came out on a surprise visit to check the infrastructure or the number of faculty of the college. And after 5 months, almost 5 to 6 months after giving them a thumbs up that you are eligible, you are right as a college, you can admit students to study, you are fully prepared, they said no, we are revoking your status, we are revoking your kind of green light that we gave to you. You are not fully prepared yet to admit the hospital, to admit the students in the college and teach them. You are not fully prepared. You do not have required number of faculty, you do not have adequate machines or instruments, and the basic infrastructure is also not up to date in this college. Just after 5 months of giving them a thumbs up, they said this, just because of the protest of these Hindutva and right-wing groups. And also these people that I am saying, the people who are celebrating, they form a Sangharsh Samiti, a group to struggle for the closure of this college, and they sadly succeeded in their struggle, which is a very wrong thing, very bad thing. Of course, this should have never happened, but most people know who these people support. these people are supporters of a particular political party. You might know the answer, which political party I'm talking about. And these people are supporters of a particular political ideology. You might know the answer, which political ideology I'm talking about. These ideology and parties prevalent in this country right now. That is why the things like this are happening in this country. Medical colleges are shutting down and people are celebrating this. Stupid people. Very, very stupid people. We need to change things. We need to change things.